Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing high plank circles. When we do these, we want our shoulders, elbows, and wrists all in one straight line. Fingers wide. As we grip the ground, this is actually going to help us balance, and this is key. We're going to make sure that our abs are engaged, we're squeezing our glutes, and we're flexing our quads. We want our feet slightly apart from each other as we bring our legs back. And then we want to press the ground away, never letting our shoulder blades come towards each other, always staying engaged through our upper back. So we're going to kind of shift over to one side, shift forward. This is when our fingers really help us shift to the side and then shift to the back. So our toes might kind of go into a point flex as we get wider and wider with our circles. This is an awesome exercise to strengthen our wrists, to strengthen our shoulders, to work our core. So if you want this in your workouts, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training. I will do it all for you.